Hello, Hour One English kids. I am your English teacher this year, Mrs. McDowell. I'm so excited to be able to meet you next week on Tuesday. I wish we were meeting in person, but since that's not a possibility, I wanted to show you today how you can join our meeting. So since you are first hour, our class begins at 9 a.m. I sent everyone an invitation to our Google Classroom. So you will simply log in, join the class, and then right here, you will see a Meet link. Go ahead and click on the Meet link. It will bring you here. And then you will simply click Join Now when you're ready to jump into that class meeting, okay? So I will see you Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. when you log into Google Classrooms and then click this link. And looking forward to it. Thanks, guys. See you then.